In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved contacts in your Google account in just a few simple steps. We often save contacts across different devices and platforms, but sometimes it's easy to forget where we've stored them. Knowing where to find your saved Google contacts not only helps in staying organized, but also makes it easier when you switch devices or need to find someone's details in a pinch. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to go to Google. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in www.google.com. This is your starting point for accessing all things related to your Google account, including your saved contacts. Next, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to click on Sign In. You'll find this button in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your email address and password to securely access your account. Signing in is crucial as it links you to your personalized Google account settings and ensures that you can access information like saved contacts. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to your Google account homepage. This is the centralized hub where you can manage all aspects of your Google account, from privacy settings to stored information such as your contacts. To go there, click on your account image or avatar, typically found in the top right corner, and select Manage Your Google Account. Now on the Google account homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. From here, look for the section labeled People and Sharing. Click on this to access settings related to your contacts and how you share information with others. Under People and Sharing, you'll find a category called Contacts. Clicking on Contacts will take you to your Google Contacts list. This is the place where all your saved contacts are stored. Here you can scroll through your list to find the contact details you're looking for. You can also use the search bar at the top if you have a specific person in mind to quickly locate them without scrolling through your entire list. Remember that Google Contacts also provides options for organizing and cleaning up your contacts list. Take a moment to explore features like merging duplicates or adding additional contact information. This is a great way to keep your contacts up to date and ensure you have easy access to everyone you need to stay connected with. And there you have it. Checking saved contacts in your Google account is streamlined and straightforward. Now you're all set to find and manage your contacts with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.